We are going to see how to make this press tool assembly. For that, open CATIA, first select start, then mechanical design and then assembly design. After that, first click on existing component and then product. Select bottom plate, import it, and first use manipulation so you can move the component that you are imported in CATIA. Then select OK and use this fix command to fix the plate. Now it's not moving. After that, again select existing component, then product, and import this guide pillar and OK. Now use this command constraint, select axis of this pillar and select axis of this hole, and then use this offset command to select the distance between this and this surface, and it's 0, and update it. So you can see here the surface is coincide with this surface. Now we are going to use this symmetry command. First select the pillar, then use this symmetry command and select the plane to which you want to mirror it. It's done. Now similarly select pillar, then go on symmetry, select the plane on which you want to mirror it and finish. Similarly, I am selecting this pillar now from this tree, and then symmetry, I am selecting plane and then finish. Now we are going to take next part, existing components and then product. Now I am taking top plate, open it. Now first we want to move it from this side to this side, so use manipulation. Here are some commands, from that you can rotate it. Okay, and we have to coincide this part with this hole, so again I am using manipulation command. No, not this, it's X. Now you can see this part and this hole are on same direction, but we have to give commands. I am using this constraint command, selecting this axis and selecting the axis of this hole and update it. Then give distance between this surface and this surface is 500 and update it. Now one more thing, we need to give command to these holes and this pillar. So select axis of this pillar and the hole and update it. Now we need to bring more components. Now which component is remaining? Guide bush. Open it. Now we want to fit this guide here, so select this constraint, select axis, this and this, update it from here, and then select this offset command and select this surface and this surface whose distance is 0 and enter, and again update it. So it's completely fitted there. Now we are again going to use, I am selecting this guide bush and we are going to use this symmetry. Now I am going to select plane on which I want to mirror it. Similarly select guide bush from there and symmetry and select plane. Similarly, next bush I am selecting, and then symmetry along this and finish. And this is how we have completed our assembly. Thank you so much.